will go home with a very, very special prize. So please start uploading your photos right away. And just for tonight, if your accounts are private, make them public just for tonight so we can find your photos. And with that, dear friends, may I please invite everyone to turn your attention to the entrance of the Blue Leaf Pavilion as we welcome the members of our entourage, beginning with Team Pride! Come on down, Team Pride! Ivantina, Lodi, Micaela, Shelly, Jen, Anna, and Aaron! Certified never boy, certified Give it up, Team Pride! Thanks so much, Team Pride. But of course, not to be outdone, please welcome the members of Team Groove!
Here's that song!
Make your way down, Team Groove! We got Robbie, Ringo, Dave, Andre, Matt, and Ia. Again, palakpakan please, Team Groove! Best effort! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Team Groove!
Hi, Dad!
And with that, guys, please turn your attention once more to our entrance as we welcome the two happiest sets of parents for this evening, beginning with the parents of our beautiful bride. May I please welcome Miss and Mrs. Roberto and Marinel Paco! Mr. and Mrs. Paco, congratulations! Again, mabuhay, Mr. and Mrs. Paco! And please welcome the proud parents of our group. We have Engineer Mrs. Enrique and Regina Perlas. And Jose Fernandez Ruiz. And the original Mr. Perlas, congratulations! Mabuhay ang magulang natin bagong kasal! And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that you have all been waiting for. But right before that, please turn your attention to our screen.
Yes. The best.
Baka tabaan mo yung cake, mo pa little bit yan.